Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, the largest show for motorhomes and campervans in the world. This is a Chic C Line from Carthago. It is on a Mercedes basis. This was introduced, I think it was the 2021 series season, anyway, let's have a look around. With the Chic C Line also comes on the Fiat basis as well, and as the ladies in there, we'll have a walk around. I mean, I did have the possibility of going in there without being in there, so we'll have a quick look at the price first, and then we'll look on the vehicle. It's 120,000. So it's more than the Fiat. It's considerably more than the Fiat, in fact. So you can put this on a 4.5 ton basis. You know, 4,200 if you want. Depends on that. With a weight here 3,600, let's say, that gives you a stack of payload. It's on 4,200, then it's a bit less, of course. 750 centimeters long, 227 wide, 294.5 in height. Now, I think Carthago is my favourite manufacturer. I might change my mind though in the future. So you know, these things are all they're all changeable. Let's get some. Oh, we've got some light in here. Yeah, unfortunately, we're not going to do any better than that, I think. Let's see if this makes any difference. No, it doesn't. It doesn't make any difference. No, that's it. Well, as far as the light's concerned, no, we're not going to. This it's not actually indicative of what the vehicle's going to look like. It's indicative of the way they're set up for events like this. Anyway, it's sort of half shadow. Looks quite good actually, I think. Up here we've got a television which slides out like that. There you go. That's what's on the television right now. There you go. That's a program called TFT Dummy. And below the television we've got a wall. And if you look up there, you can see the railway line. The wall's going to take. And so if I get up on the bed, you can actually see it in action. There we go. There's the wall in action. And over here, there's another one as well. So that you are closed inside the bed compartment. I'll open this back up again. So personally, actually, I'd rather have a cloth than a solid door, but that's just me. Other people might feel differently about this. Here we have got the stairs, German layout, and under you've got a storage there. We've got storage on the other side, and nice look to the back. But if you want to get access to the storage, you've got to move this back by pushing this down, and that goes in like that. Shower here, comes with a duct board in it, and on the other side we've got the toilet, and you can of course close the toilet there. Typical Carthago kitchen, 3 burners and a sink, and I can't see the point of this at all. It's just a complete waste of space. Large storage area, and doesn't it look nice without having a bed up front? Although a bed up front, I think you can have a drop down bed as an option. That's what it looks like around the table. Over here we've got the slide out pantries. Or pantry, I should have said. And here, Dometic fridge, which opens both ways and comes with a freezer. Double floor all the way back, and the advantage of a double floor is that it'll keep you warm when it's winter, but also the technical infrastructure of the vehicle has been put into the double floor. So for example, if I come down here, you can see this huge, deep storage area, which we might be able to see on the way out as well. Kitchen storage. There's your wine cabinet. And also when you come in, you've got a place down here for your shoes immediately. Storage under there, and here we've got this really large garage. It can take 250 kilos, and there's plenty of space there for number of bicycles or whatever you want to carry. Electrical stuff in there, the fuses, inverter I think is in there, chargers in this. And here we can see the rear. You've got a reversing camera, which I think is essential. Actually, another thing, I'm convinced there should be 2 reversing cameras, one down there as well. Although the one down there, obviously, you need to use them both. But I must say, I was about a week ago. I had the one down here, and there was a wall behind me. And I didn't see it, and I didn't hit it, but it was so close I couldn't even put my hand under it. Anyway. A gas cabinet and more storage here. So you can see it onto the roof, the skylights. Yeah, I'll open this up because from here we can actually see the double floor. If it's open, no, it's not open. Okay, so we're not going to see the double floor. Have to see that one in a different video. So that is the Carthago T4.9 LE on a Mercedes basis. Costs 120 plus thousand, and we found it interesting. I load every day at 21.15. This is the largest collection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. And so if you're interested in that sort of thing, then you might want to subscribe. But if you're not interested in that kind of thing, then you won't. Thanks for being here today with me.